Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to clean totally a text formula or highlight or text box in Microsoft Excel with using keyboard shortcut key. So let's take a look how to do that. Here is the example Excel worksheet document, and you can see whenever we want to clean or delete something, we normally choose that area and then we click delete, and it's going to delete all the text, but there is highlighter and text box is always appear. You have to again remove one by one, but with quick shortcut key you can totally clean this area. Example, if you want to clean this total area with highlight, text box, and also this text or this digit, etc. things, you can choose the area and then in your keyboard press Alt H and click EA, and it's going to completely clean your any particular selected area. Again, I'm going to show you to maybe you are confused. Choose the area and then in your keyboard press Alt H and click EA, and it's going to immediately totally disappear or totally clean that particular area, all the text, highlight or number or text box. So this is how you can easily clean or totally completely clean in your Microsoft Excel text, highlight or number, etc. things. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.